8:15 and looking into the city's finances, how your tax dollars are spent. The group openthebooks.com says this year the city's cybersecurity insurance coverage amount was cut in half, but its premiums and deductibles increased. Adam Andrzejewski is the CEO of openthebooks.com, and he joins us live this morning to discuss more on what they found. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Shelley.
So are these changes related to that massive ransomware attack in 2019?
Yes. So across the country, the cost of cyber insurance has gone up. And so carriers really, they don't like the coverage anymore. So the first policy that the City of Baltimore took out had about $800,000 worth of premiums, and the city was able to get about $20 million worth of coverage. That entire situation has now changed, and we're calling on the city council to now review these policies. Maybe they should self-insure on a go-forward basis. Shelley, here's what we found. The cost has gone up to over $1 million a year. The deductible's gone from $1 million to $2.5 million. That's the amount of the cost the city, if they were attacked and had a claim, they would have to cover the first $2.5 million worth of loss. And the top line figure is not $20 million anymore. It's now gone down to $10 million worth of coverage. So this coverage is super expensive. It's now $1 million that takes money out of other city services and puts it toward this cyber insurance plan.
So you're looking at the coverage, but you also looked into who the city is paying to handle this insurance, and you found a pretty high price tag there as well. Can you explain that?
So Willis of Maryland, and they're part of a international insurance firm with a good reputation, and the city's used them since 2002. Here's what we found on their contract. They basically, over the course of the last 20 years, haven't faced competition for their city brokerage contract. And since 2018, it's actually been let on a no-bid basis. And the fees have gone up pretty substantially. They're compensated in three ways. One, on a flat fee of approximately $350,000 per year. Then they're compensated hourly for certain services to the city at a rate that's pretty high, $250,000 a year. And then they also, on certain policies, get commissions of up to 30%. So this contract is going to be in force through 2024. We were dismayed that it's been let on a no-bid basis, basically without competition for the last 20 years.
And did you talk to the city about that at all?
We went out for a request for comment to the city, and basically from the renewal memo last fall, here's what they said. They basically said that, you know, Baltimore is a complicated city to insure. We've got a 15-year relationship with them, and so they extended via professional services their contract, again, on a no-bid basis.
All right. Adam Andrzejewski, CEO of openthebooks.com. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Shelley.